Honey, are you lying?
No. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So here is the scoop with today's video. It's gonna be livid. It's gonna be absolutely insane. Those Brembos I've been working on, Bobby has no clue they're for her, and she's here at my house right now, so I am outside filming. There is her beautiful Genesis. Let's head inside right now, say what's up to Bobby, see how she's doing. I hope she's in a good mood. If she's not, she will be. You put my oatmeal in the microwave yet?
No.
Why?
Oh.
Hi.
Look, I'm eating a meal.
Bang energy.
Campfire sauce and chicken.
Nice. What's up though?
I'm eating my chicken.
Is it good? What did you come over here for anyway?
Wait, let me get done chewing. So I came over here today to work on my Jenny. There's two, I think they're small problems. First thing, when I shift, like first to second, second to third, third to fourth. So I'll go into first gear, and then before I shift into second gear, it will start to make this really loud buzzing noise. And then I'll shift into second, and then it'll start to buzz again. Shift into third, and then it'll start buzzing again.
Like Buzz Lightyear?
Yeah, pretty much. I literally, my car sounds like a bee going down the road. And so it didn't used to be that bad. And then it starts to do it in fifth and sixth gear now. And then the second issue is is it my coils or my struts or what?
I got you. Oh,
ow.
Can't get it out. I don't know what it is.
Babe, it's probably just my gap. Is it my struts, babe, or my coils? My car, whenever I go over like little bumps or just the slightest little thing on the road, my car will squeak really, really loud. So we think my coils / struts?
Just say
Coil overs are blown out or loose. Yeah, or something's loose. So that's really annoying. Like I'll have people in my car and they ask why my car's so squeaky. So those are the main issues. And then do we have stuff to fix my curved wheel?
Maybe.
Okay, and maybe fix the curb wheel, but that's the least of my worries.
I got some done the other day. So
Okay.
sick. My calipers for the FRS.
Yeah?
The new color. They're
What?
so dope.
What color?
You want me to look at them?
Wait, I gotta eat my lunch, and then we can.
I don't know if I've showed you guys my new caliper color yet. It looks absolutely insane. You're gonna be jealous of them, bet.
Are they yellow?
I don't know, are they?
Are they? That's
don't-
my color.
So Bobby keeps thinking my calipers are what color?
Yellow.
Why would I do yellow calipers on an orange car?
Because it's gonna be black.
It is?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so I almost got hit on my bike today.
Like, that happens every day.
I pulled on Francis, did a gnarly wheelie, so I mean it's kind of my fault because it was doing like an 80 or 90, and some old lady pulled out and then slammed on her brakes. But I could have gone around it anyway, so it didn't matter.
Babe, no wheelies.
I'm a very aggressive rider, but it works because you have to be. You literally have to be an aggressive rider. How is that funny?
You do not. Either way, you can be any kind of rider. A slow rider. You just have to be an aware rider.
Okay, maybe that's better. Oh wait, I think aggressive is like the best way to ride though. Yeah, it is because.
Because if you're freaking an idiot.
Do I look like an idiot? I've been
No.
riding for 6 years now.
No, honey,
Never once gotten it right.
No, I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about other people. Like if you're an aggressive rider and you're not an aware rider, then you're stupid. But if you're a slow rider and not aggressive and stupid, then that would be safer.
Stupid. Everybody's stupid that rides. Stupid. Let's go look at these calipers, alright?
Do I get to work on it today too?
That's all you're doing is working on it. There's your new branch. You can take that home whenever you want.
It's Coda's new climbing tree.
Yeah, that'd be kind of dope actually.
Yeah, but he would fling off. He's too fast. Wow. Whoa.
What? Are those lit? Are you jealous of them?
Yeah.
When do you want to put them on?
What?
When do you want to put them on?
Let's do it now.
On your car?
No, on your car.
No, these are for your car.
What?
Mine are right there.
Are you lying, babe? Honey, are you lying?
No.
I swear?
Why would I have...
Babe, freaking tell me.
Why are you beating me up? Why would I have Brembos right here? And then another set.
Because these are covers.
No, they're just not assembled all the way.
What?
Those go with those.
Babe.
So
those are for your car.
What car?
Yours.
Which one?
The FRS.
Oh, since you don't believe me, then I guess I'll really have to show you. What does it say right there? What's that little badge right there?
What? I don't want to read it. Honey, why do you do that?
Well, I guess she doesn't really like the Brembos, so we're just gonna have to like, maybe I'll just sell them, I guess.
Babe,
get my freaking money back.
I love them. Thank you.
Do you like the color?
Yeah, give me a kiss.
Is it the right color that you've been looking for?
Yeah.
Ow! What are you trying to do? Break my back?
I'm happy, but I still don't really believe you that much.
You know that surprise I've been freaking working on for the last 3 weeks?
This is them?
They took so long to finish.
These are mine. Are you really joking?
What?
Why do you do that?
Why would I not? You like?
I freaking love.
We can't put them on yet though.
What?
Well, not today. We don't have time.
We cannot do any of the
Well,
other
I need
stuff.
to get these turned. See, this is powder coat right here. So I need to get all the powder coat turned off. Like removed. Because you won't be able to stop with freaking powder coat on your rotors. Your little rotor head. Not today.
Wow.
Maybe like Tuesday. Monday or Tuesday.
Can I bring it with me?
Do you like them? Like, is that a good color?
Yes, babe. This is
I even
gonna
got custom stickers made for you.
This is gonna look so dope. Wow, babe. Thank you.
What? What do you have to say for yourself?
I don't even know. They're just so pretty.
Is that it?
Yeah, and I thank you a lot for doing this.
They're not yours. I'm just kidding. They're not yours. They're for my car.
You're a liar. Those are yours.
Those are Evo calipers.
Nope.
Yeah, they are.
You're a liar.
Nah, you lit.
You're lying. Babe, stop. That'd be really mean.
It's just a prank.
It's not a prank.
It's not? How do you know?
Because it says Hyundai on the back of it.
Nah.
Yeah?
I engraved that on there to trick you.
Wow, you're really good then.
I know. I own a machine shop.
And plus, your cars wouldn't even have this big of Brembos. Your car is puny.
We're gonna work on Bobby's car a little bit, fix all those little issues. You wanna pull in the shop?
Yeah.
Okay. I have to go run downstairs and like finalize my video though.
What?
It's supposed to go up at 10 and it's now 2 o'clock. So let's go. Or do you want to not come?
I'll go up there with you, but I'll just start.
I realize I record everything. Can you drive up on the ramps or not?
Yeah.
Okay, good. A little more. A little more. That's good. Perfect. Flawless. Flawless execution. Alright, let's bang this thing out. Should we try to fix that rattle first?
We're recording each other?
I'm recording you. Rattle first?
Yeah, rattle first.
Okay. I'm gonna jack it up really, really high.
Wait, rattle or buzz? Buzz or squeak?
All right, we got the car all fixed up, all finished up. So the buzzing noise that was going on when she was driving it, it was the downpipe where it bolts to the transmission. There's a little bracket right there. Both of those bolts were missing. And then the squeaking noise when she's driving, there's ball bearings. There's like a radial ball bearing on the top hats on the front coilovers. Both those bearings are bad, so I have to order some of those in, get those swapped out. That car should be good to go. As you can see, she was very, very pumped on the Brembos, which makes me very happy. Unfortunately, we couldn't get them on today because I still need to get those rotors turned, get all the powder coat off the rotors, then we can get them on the car. That'll be a very interesting video, getting them on the car, seeing how they look, hoping the wheels clear the Brembos up front. So make sure you guys keep an eye out for that. Really hope you enjoyed this video. I'll catch you guys tomorrow.